This wireless backup camera comes in really handy. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this wireless backup camera. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So our older Jeep does not have a backup camera, and once you drive a car with one, you kind of start to rely on them, and this solves that problem. This particular setup comes with a 5-inch monitor, the camera that attaches to your license plate, the suction cup bracket, the antenna, the car charger, and an extension cable. This is wireless, so there's no wires to run from the camera to the monitor. The signal is going to transmit up to 33 feet, so you could actually use this on a smaller RV or a trailer as well. Installation of this is pretty easy. You can mount this on your dashboard or your windshield, and then you want to wire this into your reverse lights so that it will come on when you put your vehicle in reverse. The monitor is 1080 HD. It was clear and bright. You can adjust the brightness of this, the contrast of this, and the reverse lines as well. This has a really nice wide field of view, and you can see everything when backing up. Again, adding this to a vehicle that doesn't have a backup camera is really nice. If you're looking for a great, easy to install backup camera, we recommend this.